and welcome to the Warner Library tutorial page. In this video, we will go over how to submit your final thesis or dissertation for the library's archives and for access in the Proquest database. Let's get started. First, go to the Thesis/Dissertation Submission link found under the For Graduate Students menu on the library's website. There are 2 steps to complete when submitting your thesis or dissertation. Step 1 is mandatory, whereas Step 2 is optional but highly encouraged. The first step involves filling out the dissertation and thesis release form. Doing so allows the library to store a copy of your thesis on their external hard drive for storage purposes. The form will require you to attach a PDF of your thesis to send to the library. If the PDF is too large for the form, you can send the file, along with all the form's information, to reference 1777@eastern.edu. Step 2 gives you the opportunity to have your thesis or dissertation available for other researchers at Eastern to read. Doing so will add your thesis to the Proquest database owned by Eastern University called Dissertations and Thesis at Eastern University. Follow the steps shown on this page to add your thesis or dissertation to the database free of charge. You can also add your thesis to Proquest's larger dissertation database in the internet for free access, but this will cost money paid to Proquest directly. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. To see more videos, check out our YouTube channel and don't hesitate to contact the library staff for additional assistance.